In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify title tag. This quick update can make a real difference in how your store appears in browser tabs and search results, and it's one of the simplest ways to improve click-through rates and overall SEO. Start by signing into your Shopify admin. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and open Online Store. This takes you to the sales channel where you manage your storefront settings and theme. From there, go to Preferences. You'll find this option within the online store section, and it's where Shopify keeps important SEO settings for your homepage. In Preferences, scroll to the title and meta description area. Here, locate the field labeled Homepage Title. This field controls the title tag for your homepage, the text that appears as the clickable headline in Google and other search engines, and the title you see in your browser tab when the homepage is open. Now craft a strong, clear title. Aim for around 50 to 60 characters so it displays fully in search results. Include your primary keyword near the beginning and your brand name toward the end, if space allows. Keep it readable and natural, avoid keyword stuffing or all caps, and consider using simple separators like a dash or a vertical bar to keep things tidy. For example, a format like primary keyword, brand name works well. As you type, use the search engine listing preview to check how your title will likely appear. If your store serves a specific location or niche, it's helpful to reflect that in the title for relevance. Focus on what makes your store distinctive, such as fast shipping, curated collections, or sustainable materials, but keep it concise. Remember, the goal is to attract clicks while accurately representing your homepage content. When you're happy with the wording, click Save. You'll find the Save button in the upper corner of the page. Wait for the confirmation that your changes have been saved to ensure the new title is applied. That's all it takes to update the homepage title tag. The change is immediate on your site, though search engines may take some time to recrawl and display the updated title in results. If you don't see it in search right away, that's normal. For best results, avoid changing your title too frequently and make sure it aligns with the content and value your homepage provides. Thanks for watching. With a clear, keyword-focused homepage title in place, you've taken a solid step toward better visibility and more clicks.